Hey everybody. It is hard for me to be in this space right now at this very moment in time because my shop is such a mess. Thanksgiving just happened. I avoided this space for all of Thanksgiving. I've been cleaning up back in the display area to just start to create some room to allow the the metaphor I want is like a tsunami metaphor. That's what this space feels like right now. So I am going to slay this beast today. I'm going to slay this dragon within reason. And the way I'm going to do it is I've got the Hun and Carbonite that I built with Todd Blatt a few weeks ago. I'm going to hang it back up. I'm going to get it up and running because it's time. And it'll go right there in the space it was. And I've got a block and fall set up for it. Everything's ready to go. I just have to clean and then bring my ladder in and move those tools away and clear that space and then bring Han in. It's all of a piece. It's all going to be one take. It's going to one take wonder. I just thought if I was going to go through all this pain, maybe you want to go through it with me. Maybe you want to watch all this happen in real time. So yeah, here we go. All right. Whoops. Ah, sorry. All right, it's time to put the Han and Carbonite up. As you can see, I've got a peg point there. That's the business end of this block and fall here. I'm going to move these cabinets out of my way. I'll take care of you later. Let's get stuff out of here. Go. All right. So. That comes up. Great. All right. Oh, ow, ow. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Okay, now I need power. Power. Excellent. We got lights. We got lights. All right. So then the question is, will that go up enough? Yes, it should. And that should still, yeah. Okay. And that's still, yeah. Great. Yeah, I can do a little tiny strain relief there. Okay. So now, there we go. So now I've got my pick point. Uh-huh. All right. Yeah. All right. Why do I keep saying all right? All right. All right. All right. Okay. 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 So I want to get it up there. Once it's up there, I just want to cleat. Right? Cleat, clearly. When I build a cleat, I need a cleat. Oh, yeah, that won't do. Just get there? Yeah, that'll do it. Okay, so, right. Yeah, here we go. We're just going to start raising this puppy up. Oh, yeah, I guess I can get rid of that. Why make my job harder? All right, buddy. Ooh. Yep. I know you make noise. There we are. All right. Well then, that feels like accomplishment. All right, everybody back. Get back to one. All right, yes. Now you have a plug too. you know what? You're gonna go this way because I know, yep, that you live like here, right? Nope, it's here. So. All right, everybody, back to it. You got to go there, yeah, there, don't look like that, yeah. Oh, it's so nice now that you're over the top. Come on, come on, come on. That's it. Oh, good, good, good. Good, very happy, very happy. Oh, we can plug in the speaker again, yeah. Why am I talking in an Irish accent? I don't know. I don't know. It's not even a good one. Might even say it's shite. Wait a second. Wait a second. There he is. My boys. Look. Oh. Can you see? He's even lit up. Yep. Yeah, there he is. And that's the hero. Come on. There we go. So that's the hero panel of the Honda Carbonite. It's unfortunately on the... I prefer it on the other side because you spend more time in the shop seeing it from over here. But such as it is, I'm happy to have him back up. We have plans for the Han frame that I cut out of that. I've actually stored some of the extra pieces behind this thing because that's where I'm going to look for it in a couple of months when I jump back into the other thing. Oh, yeah, okay. There's still a lot of cleanup to do, but, you know, I've licked a bunch of it, so I'm going to call that a day. Yeah, it's a reasonable moment. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick and dirty one-day install. Hey guys, Adam Savage from Tested here. If you've ever seen the 6-inch ruler in inches and centimeters on my forearm and wanted one of your own, but you didn't want it to be permanent, well, today's your lucky day. You can now buy temporary tattoos of my measuring stick, my measuring forearm, at tested-store.com. Comes like this, goes on in about 30 seconds with a little water. The instructions are on the back. It comes off with rubbing alcohol, and hopefully it warms you up to the idea of permanently attaching a measuring device to your body, because I use mine every single day.